Welcome to VoroMotors. Today we're going to show you how to install the battery in the EMOVE Roadster. For this task, you will need just a 4mm hex key. Start by disconnecting your taillight wiring. There are a total of 2. Now go ahead and remove the deck screws. There are a total of 8 of them. Make sure you remove the rear 2 inner screws and not the outer screws. Have a friend help you for a quicker removal process. After the screws has been removed, gently lift the deck cover off the scooter. Find your battery cables, 2 reds and 2 blacks, and disconnect them from the controllers. Disconnect the yellow charge cable. Use the 2 white handles to help lift the battery out of the scooter. Be mindful of the wires that may be tangled as you lift. Install the new battery into the scooter. Start with the rear and gently lay the front, and also be mindful for any wires that may be caught underneath, and move them before fully inserting the battery in. Find your battery cables, the 2 blacks and 2 reds, and insert them. During this moment, you might get a jolt of spark as you connect it. This is normal. Don't forget to connect the yellow charge cable. After this, please make sure all your wires are routed neatly. Some wires may be on top of the battery, which is okay. Next, take your deck cover and gently place it on your scooter. Double check that there are no wires around the edges that may get pinched. Take your 4mm hex key and screw. There are a total of 8 screws for the deck. After the deck has been installed, don't forget to reconnect your taillight wiring. There are a total of 2 of them. You have successfully installed your battery. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact customer support team at VoroMotors.com. Do you have any tutorials you'd like to see? Make sure you leave it in the comment section below. Until then, safe riding!